In this video, we will learn our past simple tense. When to use past simple tense. Number one, talking about completed actions. We use past simple to talk about actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past and are already finished. Examples: I visited the zoo yesterday. They went to the cinema last weekend. She finished her homework an hour ago. Describing past habits or routines. It can be used to describe actions that were habitual or routine in the past. Example: she always played with her dolls as a child. He used to go to the cinema every weekend. My dad often went fishing when he was younger. How to form past simple. Positive form. Start with the subject, add the past form of the verb, pay attention to the regular and irregular verb. Example: I danced a party. We went to the zoo last weekend. Question. Negative form. Used did not, didn't before the base form of the verb to form negative sentence. Example: I did not play soccer last week. They did not eat pizza for dinner yesterday. He did not study for his exam last night. Question form. Begin with did, add the subject, and then add the base form of the verb. Example: did they watch the movie? Did she visit the museum last weekend? Did he do his homework yesterday? Thank you for viewing. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.